Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Mike. How are you today?
I'm great. I was thinking about our conversation last week about making friends.
Oh, yes, about starting conversations and asking questions.
Right. And I realized something. When people ask me, tell me about yourself, I never know what to say.
Oh, that's such a common problem. Describing yourself is hard.
Exactly. I don't know how to talk about my personality in English.
Well, that's perfect. Let's talk about that today.
Oh, yes. This is such a useful topic. Everyone needs to describe themselves sometimes.
Absolutely. In job interviews, when making friends, on dating apps, you need to talk about who you are.
Right. And it's not just about what you do, but who you are, your personality.
Exactly. So let's learn how to describe personality in English. We'll cover positive traits, negative traits, and how to talk about yourself naturally.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn.
Okay, Mike, let's start with basic personality adjectives. These are the most common words to describe people.
Like what?
Well, think about how you'd describe yourself. Are you a friendly person?
I think so. I like talking to people.
So you're friendly. That's a positive trait. You can say, I'm a friendly person, or I'm quite friendly.
I'm friendly, and I enjoy meeting new people.
Perfect. What about outgoing? That means you're social. You like being around people.
I'm not super outgoing. I like people, but I also need quiet time.
Oh, so maybe you're more introverted.
What's the difference between outgoing and introverted?
Outgoing people get energy from being with others. Introverted people need alone time to recharge. Neither is bad, just different.
Oh, then I'm a bit of both. I'm friendly, but also a little introverted.
That's totally normal. Most people are a mix.
What other basic adjectives should I know?
Let's see. There's patient. That means you can wait calmly and don't get frustrated easily.
I'm pretty patient, I think.
Then there's hardworking. You work hard and put in effort.
Yes, I'm definitely hardworking.
Creative means you have good ideas and like making things. Are you creative?
Maybe a little. I like coming up with solutions to problems.
That's creative. And organized means you like things neat and planned.
Oh, I'm very organized. Everything has its place.
I noticed. Your desk is always so tidy.
I can't work if things are messy.
Now, let's talk about more positive traits you can use to describe yourself or others.
Ready. Tell me more.
Well, if you care about other people's feelings, you're kind or caring.
I'm a caring person, or I'm kind to others.
Exactly. And if you can understand how others feel, you're empathetic.
I'm empathetic. That sounds more advanced.
It is, but it's a great word. It means you can put yourself in other people's shoes.
Oh, I like that. What else?
If you're optimistic, you look on the bright side. You think positively.
I try to be optimistic, even when things are hard.
That's a great quality. The opposite is pessimistic, always expecting bad things.
So, optimistic is positive thinking, pessimistic is negative thinking.
Exactly. Here are more good ones. Reliable means people can count on you. You do what you say.
I'm reliable. If I say I'll do something, I do it.
Perfect. And honest means you tell the truth.
That's important. I'm an honest person.
Confident means you believe in yourself. You're not too shy or unsure.
I'm working on being more confident.
That's good. Confidence is something you can build.
Any more?
Generous, you like to give and help others. Loyal, you stick by your friends. Easygoing, you don't stress about small things.
That's a lot.
Don't worry, you don't need to use all of them. Just pick a few that really describe you.
Sophie, personality isn't just adjectives, right? It's also about what you like and what you do.
Absolutely. Your interests say a lot about your personality.
So I can talk about my hobbies to show who I am.
Exactly. For example, if you say, I love reading, it shows you're probably thoughtful and curious.
Oh, so I enjoy hiking shows I'm active and like nature.
Yes, and I like cooking might show you're creative or that you enjoy taking care of people.
I'm passionate about photography. That shows I'm artistic.
Exactly. Passionate is a great word. It means you really, really love something.
I'm passionate about learning languages.
Perfect. That shows you're curious and motivated. You can also talk about what energizes you, like, I love being around people, or I prefer quiet evenings at home.
So it's not just what I do, but also what makes me happy.
Exactly. You could say, I'm the kind of person who loves trying new restaurants, or I'm someone who enjoys quiet time with a good book.
I'm the kind of person who needs my morning coffee.
That's definitely true about you.
It really is. I'm not myself without coffee.
Now, Mike, here's something important. Sometimes you need to talk about weaknesses too.
Why would I do that?
Well, in job interviews, they often ask, what's your weakness? And when making friends, being honest about your flaws makes you more relatable.
So I shouldn't pretend to be perfect?
Right. Nobody's perfect. It's okay to say, I can be a bit disorganized sometimes, or I'm not very good with technology.
How do I say my weaknesses without sounding too negative?
Good question. You can soften it. Instead of I'm lazy, say I'm not a morning person, or I work better in the afternoon.
So I'm honest, but not too harsh.
Exactly. Or you can show you're working on it. I tend to be impatient, but I'm working on being more patient.
I can be a bit shy at first, but I warm up quickly.
Perfect. That's honest and positive.
What are some common weaknesses people talk about?
Well, there's perfectionist, someone who wants everything perfect and can't accept mistakes.
Oh, that's me sometimes. I stress about small details.
That's very common. You can say, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I want things to be just right.
And then I could add, but I'm learning to let go of small mistakes?
Exactly. Show awareness and growth. Some people are indecisive. They have trouble making decisions. Or procrastinate. They put things off for later.
I procrastinate sometimes, especially with boring tasks.
Everyone does. You could say, I sometimes procrastinate, but I always meet my deadlines.
So I admit the weakness, but show it's under control.
Exactly. Mike, when describing personality, you can use words like quite, very, and a bit to show how much.
What do you mean?
Well, instead of just, I'm shy, you can say, I'm quite shy, or I'm a bit shy, or I'm very shy.
Oh, so it shows the level.
Exactly. A bit is small, quite is medium, very is a lot.
A bit shy, just a little. I'm quite shy, moderately. I'm very shy, a lot.
Perfect. And you can use too for negative. I'm too shy means it's a problem.
I'm a bit organized or I'm very organized.
Yes, I'm quite friendly or I'm very friendly.
This helps me be more specific. Sophie, what if I want to describe someone else, like a friend or colleague?
Same adjectives, but you use he or she, like she's very creative or he's quite outgoing.
My sister is really organized and hardworking.
Perfect. You can also say, my friend Tom is the kind of person who always makes people laugh.
My colleague Sarah is very reliable. You can always count on her.
Excellent. You're giving specific details.
so I can describe their personality and give examples.
Exactly. Examples make it more real and interesting. Okay, Mike, let's practice. Describe yourself using everything we learned.
Okay, let me try. Well, I'm a friendly and hardworking person. I'm quite organized. I like everything in its place. I'm passionate about learning languages, and I love trying new coffee shops. I can be a bit shy at first, but once I get to know people, I'm very talkative. I'm also a bit of a perfectionist. I want things to be just right. But overall, I think I'm easygoing and optimistic.
That was excellent. You used so many different phrases.
I did. I described my positive traits, mentioned my interests, admitted a weakness, and ended on a positive note.
Perfect. That's exactly how you describe yourself naturally.
Now you try, Sophie. Describe yourself.
Okay. I'm a curious and creative person. I'm very passionate about teaching and helping people learn. I'm quite patient. I don't get frustrated easily. I love reading, hiking, and spending time in nature. I can be a bit indecisive sometimes. I have trouble choosing, but I'm working on that. I think I'm empathetic and caring, and I really value deep conversations with friends.
That's perfect. And it's so true. You are patient and caring.
Thank you, Mike. Before we finish, let's go over some useful phrases for describing personality.
Yes, please.
Good. Next, I'm the kind of person who, this is great for showing your habits. I'm the kind of person who always arrives on time.
I'm the kind of person who needs a plan.
Good. Next, I tend to, this shows your typical behavior. I tend to overthink things.
I tend to work late when I'm excited about a project.
Perfect. And I consider myself, this is more formal. I consider myself a reliable person.
I consider myself open-minded and willing to learn.
Excellent. These phrases make you sound natural and fluent. Everyone listening, we hope this episode helped you describe your personality in English.
How would you describe yourself? Tell us in the comments. Use the adjectives we talked about today.
And remember, be honest. You don't have to be perfect. Everyone has strengths and weaknesses.
What makes you unique is what makes you interesting.
Exactly. Embrace who you are.
You know what? I'm going to write a whole personality description about myself tonight, like a dating profile, but just for practice.
A dating profile? Are you planning to start dating, Mike?
No, I said for practice. I just want to see if I can describe myself well.
Sure. Just practice.
It is just practice.
I'm not judging. It's actually a good exercise.
Okay, good. I'll show it to you tomorrow.
I can't wait to read it. Everyone, we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing your English.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.